NASA's quest to uncover the mystery of alien life. The story of NASA's connection to aliens is one of intrigue, speculation, and a deep, unyielding curiosity about the universe. From the moment humanity first looked up at the stars, the idea that we are not alone has captivated our imagination. But what if I told you that NASA, the most advanced space agency on Earth, has been at the center of this mystery for decades, working behind the scenes to uncover truths that could alter everything we think we know about life beyond our planet? It all began in 1958 with the founding of NASA. The Cold War was at its height, and the race for space exploration between the United States and the Soviet Union was gaining momentum. But even with all the technological advancements, there was one question that seemed to remain unanswered. Are we alone? The discovery of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, in the 1990s was a turning point. By using telescopes like Hubble, NASA scientists found that there were potentially millions of Earth-like planets scattered across the universe. With these discoveries, the dream of finding alien life seemed more possible than ever before. But that wasn't all. NASA wasn't just looking for distant planets. They were actively searching for signs of life in our own backyard. NASA's rover missions to Mars in the 2000s are some of the most exciting pieces of the puzzle. Mars, once a hotbed of scientific curiosity, holds clues that could point to the existence of extraterrestrial life. The question was never if Mars held life, but when scientists would find it. In 2004, NASA's Spirit and Opportunity rovers landed on the surface of Mars. They sent back thousands of images that showed the Martian surface was once much warmer and wetter than it is today. In 2015, the Curiosity rover found evidence that liquid water might still exist below the Martian surface, reigniting the idea that microbial life could be lurking there. In 1977, an astronomer working at the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio recorded a signal that still haunts scientists to this day. The signal was so strong and so unusual that it was named the WOW signal after the astronomer's reaction. It was a short burst of radio waves that came from the constellation Sagittarius, and to this day, no one has been able to explain it fully. Many believed it was the first sign of intelligent extraterrestrial communication. Could it have been a message from an alien civilization? The WOW signal has never been detected again, and some believe it could have been interference from Earth's own satellites. Fast forward to 2007, when NASA wasn't the only government entity quietly investigating extraterrestrial phenomena. The US Department of Defense created a secret program called the Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, AATP, to investigate UFO sightings. The existence of this program became public in 2017 when the New York Times published a bombshell report. The Pentagon had been studying unexplained aerial phenomena, UAPs, for years, and some of the footage released showed military pilots encountering objects that defied the laws of physics. What was even more intriguing was the involvement of NASA in the conversations about these unidentified flying objects. NASA, known for its scientific rigor, started cooperating with the Pentagon, analyzing the UFO footage and trying to identify the technology behind these mysterious objects. Could they be from another world, or were they something else entirely? In 2020, NASA took a bold step in officially launching investigations into UFOs and UAPs. They didn't just want to study the phenomena from a distance. Instead, NASA scientists began gathering data from military pilots, astronauts, and even civilians who had witnessed unexplained phenomena. They set up a special team to look at UAP reports through the lens of science and physics. The team's main goal wasn't to confirm or deny the existence of extraterrestrials, but to understand the nature of these phenomena. Could they be an undiscovered natural phenomenon? Or just maybe, were we witnessing a glimpse of something far more extraordinary? As NASA pushes forward with its investigations, it also has to contend with the paradox known as Fermi's paradox. The question is simple, yet deeply profound. If the universe is so vast and full of potential life, why haven't we heard from anyone? There are billions of stars, each with its own planets. Many of these planets could support life, yet we have no definitive proof that any other intelligent civilizations exist. Some scientists believe that civilizations may be too far apart to communicate, while others argue that advanced alien civilizations may be deliberately avoiding us, aware of the dangers of revealing themselves. Could it be that the universe is teeming with life, but we're just too young in comparison to other, more advanced civilizations? In 2021, NASA launched the James Webb Space Telescope, a state-of-the-art instrument designed to peer deeper into space than ever before. This telescope is equipped with powerful infrared capabilities, allowing scientists to study the atmospheres of distant planets for signs of life. It has the potential to answer some of the most important questions of our time. Are we alone in the universe? As Webb begins sending data back to Earth, it's already yielding groundbreaking results, including information about planets in the habitable zone, where life could exist. If this telescope finds any signs of chemicals or gases associated with life, it could be the confirmation we've been waiting for. As we look to the future, NASA's involvement in uncovering the truth about extraterrestrial life is just beginning. With new missions to moons like Europa, Jupiter's icy moon, and Enceladus, Saturn's moon, there is hope that we might find microbial life or evidence of ancient life in the outer reaches of our solar system. In the coming years, NASA plans to send more rovers to Mars, explore the moons of Saturn and Jupiter, and continue to study exoplanets for signs of habitability. The possibility that we might one day make contact with an alien civilization, or at least find proof of its existence, has never seemed more real. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, NASA remains at the forefront of our quest for answers. But the question remains, are we ready to handle the truth? If we were to discover that aliens are real, that we are not alone in the universe, it could change everything. Our understanding of life, our place in the cosmos, and our very existence. But for now, the search continues, and with each new discovery, we come one step closer to answering the question that has haunted humanity for centuries. Are we alone in the universe? End.